Food Industry Asia has played a leading role in reformulation efforts across Asia. Since 2018, FIA has carried out studies in partnership with IGD to better understand consumer acceptance of efforts to reduce fat, salt, and sugar, as well as fortifying products with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Reformulation was the subject of the FIA's inaugural Asia Reformulation Conference, which attracted more than 150 industry delegates from ingredient and food manufacturing companies. Revamping products to provide healthier alternatives meets the expectations of more aware consumers and are part of Singapore Health Promotion Board's Healthier Choices initiatives that we saw earlier in the program. FIA's Policy Director Stephen Bartholomeusz joins us now to talk about progress with reformulation and the importance of collaboration to deliver better nutrition.
Collaboration is absolutely critical for reformulation efforts. And whether it's collaboration internally within an organization where you have to get your R&D folk, your marketing teams, teams that are dealing consumer facing, or whether you look at collaboration between a food manufacturer and an ingredient supplier, or if you look at collaboration between the food industry and governments, collaboration is really critical to deliver outcomes when it comes to reformulation. And we've seen that in some of the studies that Food Industry Asia has carried out across Asia. If there are opportunities to carry out R&D in certain markets or incentives provided for carrying out R&D in a particular market, they are more likely to look at carrying out reformulation efforts in a particular market. So collaboration is critical, and it's also collaboration coming in from the consumer side, because at the end of the day, the food is being produced for your consumers. So our studies show that Asian consumers value taste over everything else. So if the food is tasty, if it's of good quality and at the right price, those are the top three criteria, consumers are happy. Singapore's Healthier Choice scheme has been one that's been running for a fairly long time here in Singapore. And over the years, it's definitely gained more traction from a consumer perspective, because obviously there are some incentives for consumers in purchasing products that have the Healthier Choice symbol. But also from an industry perspective, it actually encourages reformulation. The guidelines that they have put together have supported industry in terms of reducing sugar, for example, in their products, or fat and salt. And I think more than the Healthier Choice symbol alone, it is a whole range of other initiatives that the Health Promotion Board has put together in partnership with industry to really encourage and drive reformulation. And one such scheme is the Healthier Ingredients Development Scheme, or HIDS, which is a scheme that actually offers incentives for the food industry in terms of R&D or marketing support and various other opportunities to actually reformulate their products. Reformulation in itself is not going to be the silver bullet. It certainly can help in terms of helping products to be reformulated. And when I mean reformulated, it's taking out the so-called bad nutrients like fat, salt, and sugar, but also fortifying products with things like vitamins, fiber, minerals, etc. And these all have positive benefits. So on the one side, you have reduction. On the other side, you're boosting your products with these sorts of nutrients. Reformulation is unfortunately not the silver bullet, but it is critical and important as we try and encourage people to go in for more healthier diets. But from an industry perspective, we've seen more than 20% of our companies have started or have completed actually most of their reformulation efforts, and something like close to 70% of the food industry across Asia have started their reformulation journey, because they are looking at some of the consumer data and they are seeing that consumers are looking for healthier products. So the reformulation journey here in Asia is well on its way. I think more and more companies realize the importance of it, and our results show that very clearly. Reformulation is an important aspect of business here across Asia.